Hello and welcome to Choice News Africa. My name is Tabvura. Today I've got Apostle Moyo from the Hub. We would like Apostle Moyo to tell us how he's orienting the youths on drug and substance abuse, and how he's also orienting them from getting engaged into sexual activities. Pastor Moyo, you can actually tell us how you orient the kids, these youths, in your church.
Thank you so much for having me. Actually, I'm Evangelist Matanhire from the Hub and Apostle Joy in the UK. What we are doing is the Hub to address the issue of pregnancies and early sexual activity is to catch them young. We are trying to sort of maybe remove children from social media and try to put a lot of church activity inside their church, their activities, so that they have dramas, they do church plays, and they do all sorts of things. Recently we had a business forum where the Hub is being introduced to Bulawayo, where people are being introduced to business, young people are being introduced to activities that take them away from idleness. As you know, there's the saying that the devil gives work to an idle mind. So the greatest catalyst of early sexual activity is lack of activity. When children have got nothing to do, they are going to engage in those things. But we want to keep them busy. We are trying to keep our young people busy in 2026. We want to keep the young people busy on their feet, business projects, everything that we are going to introduce as they have.
So what you say, those are some organizations that talk of condoms and other maybe preventive. What do you say about that?
In fact, when we get to a point where we are teaching people about condoms, it's a sign of failure. It's a sign that we have failed. We must allow the thing to carry on. But we must now go back and try to catch these children as early as 5 years. We need to start teaching our children the evils of social media, the evils of watching some TV programs. We must remove our children from the screen, the TV screen. I understand that Australia recently banned social media from children who are 16 and below. That's a step that the government has taken, which the church should take as well. If governments can do that, then we as a church can do that, because the greatest evil that is facing our young people today is social media.
Thank you very much, Pastor. Thank you very much. We appreciate that. I hope everyone is going to take that from the pastor. All the best.
Thank you so much.